Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, my name is Sahaja and I have two kids age 5 and 1, and I'm making this video because I am flying internationally via evacuation flights from India to USA organized by the Government of India. This video I'm trying to make it in English because I felt it might be useful for all of those or a lot of parents who will travel internationally, not only through evacuation flights but through any other international flights. And this one is specifically for those who are traveling during the corona situation with your kids. Considering this situation, the corona situation is going to be there for months to come, so I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. And if you are new to my channel, I make lots of different videos. If you are interested, you can subscribe or else leave a thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. Now let's just get started. Also, please don't mind how I look. It's 1 a.m. now and I'm packing and I'm making this video so that it can be useful for some of you. Now let's just get started. I booked my flights from Hyderabad to Delhi and Delhi to Chicago via Air India app using net banking, and I'm going to be leaving you all the links below, the Facebook, Twitter and Telegram app, so that it can be useful for you to book a flight. You will be notified on when the flights are available, first via Air India, their Twitter account. If you want to get any update on what are all the cancellations, when are the new bookings starting, so all of that information you can definitely find in Telegram. So I'm going to be leaving the links of those as well. And now all the items I'm carrying is after doing proper research, after following Telegram app for weeks, and after understanding what are all the items I need to carry. And if at all I forget anything, I'm sorry for that. I will try to leave a link below in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. So now let's just get started with the video. So I'm going to be carrying a shoulder bag for this trip. Now I'm carrying only a shoulder bag, reason being I will be having a baby carrier, and then I'm going to be having a stroller, and then I'm going to be holding my hand of my second kid. So my second kid agreed to carry a cabin bag, so this is what she's going to be carrying, and I hope she carries. The reason I'm carrying this extra bag is only because I have seen many saying in the Telegram app that it's absolutely necessary to carry food, because the food provided in the flight is not that good, and also in the airports they don't have any food available, and they're not even going to check that much weight as long as it is food. So I'm making sure all my food is in her bag and all the other essential stuff is going to be in my shoulder bag. Now let me quickly show you so that this video does not get long. Now the reason I'm carrying this shoulder bag is because it has a lot of zip pockets, so I put them in section wise so that it's going to be easy for me to remember where I put what. Now in the first pocket, which is the most important, is lots and lots of sanitizer. Now the first thing I'm carrying is baby wipes. Here I have this is from Apollo Pharmacy and this is Johnson's baby wipes. So this is what I'm carrying. I booked my flights in the last minute and I absolutely did not have time to order a lot of items from Amazon, but luckily I was able to get this from Amazon because this was not available in any of the stores. Now this one is Lifebuoy Germ Kill Spray, which kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. I got 2 bottles of this. This is very, very important, guys. Everything linked below. Please go ahead and check out. Please try to carry this if you're traveling. Even if you don't have kids, I think this is very, very important for you. And then I have my sanitizer. I got this from US. So I'm carrying 2 bottles of this. I can put them in my wipes and I can wipe them. That's what I'm thinking. And I'm also carrying another spray. Now I did not expect that I'm going to be receiving this via Amazon, so I went ahead and I got another instant hand sanitizer spray from a local pharmacy. So this is what I have. And then I also have pair of gloves. Now gloves are not recommended. They recommend that you wash your hands a lot and sanitize them more than gloves, but to be on the safe side, I'm carrying a pair of gloves which I can maybe wear in the airport and then discard them. And then mask. I have over here N95 mask and the regular mask. Now this one my kid was comfortable. I didn't have time to order mask exclusively for the kids. If you have time, please go ahead and order them from Amazon. Amazon has so many varieties. They also have a face shield, so please go ahead and buy that as well. I will try to leave the link below. And I also got another mask. This one is from Venus. Again, I got it from a local pharmacy because this is adjustable. Sometimes Ishita who is my elder daughter, is complaining this one is loose, so I got her this. Now please make sure you let your kids wear this few times every day so that they get used to it, else they're not going to wear in the airport and it's going to get very, very tough. And I hope my daughter wears it. I'm still not sure. Yeah, so that's all I have. I also have my wallet and my money in my front pocket. Now coming to the next pocket, I have pair of clothes. Please carry one pair of clothes for you and for your kids. And then I have her diapers. And then there is absolutely no entertainment in the flight, so I'm carrying iPad for her. Try to download some movies and some games for your kids so that they will be entertained. And then I have my medical kit. In this I'm carrying some painkillers because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be getting some back pain holding my daughter for like 15 to 24 hours, I think. I don't know. I did not book a bassinet seat because she's 1.5 years old, and we have observed in the past that after they turn 1, you will not allow your child to sleep on the bassinet. So I don't have bassinet seat, so I need to carry her on my lap all through the flight. So I would really need a painkiller for my back. And also I'm carrying children's Tylenol or Advil. You can carry that. And I'm also carrying Zarbee's to be on the safe side. If at all she's extremely cranky or she does not sleep, I'm just hoping this might help. Again, this one I'm going to be giving only if it's like really necessary. And then some Gendu balm, and yeah, that's it I have in my medical kit, and some bandages. Now the next one I have over here is, being a YouTuber, data is really important to me. So I have my hard disk over here. I cannot carry laptop with me, so I'm putting that in my check-in bag. I hope it comes back safely, but I cannot lose the data, so I have my hard disk with me. And then I have some flushable wipes. If you can buy toilet spray, please go ahead and buy that. I did order it, but I didn't get it yet. I hope I'll get it. So I have flushable wipes over here. If at all I don't get my toilet spray, I'm just going to be using my Lifebuoy spray. And your passport, very important. And then all your documents. Make sure you carry all your documents, whatever is important for you, from your kid's birth certificate to Now for more information, please go ahead and join the Telegram app. It's very important you do that. You will be getting around 100 to 500 messages every day, but that's how it is. If you are desperate, if you really want to go back to your home, then that is the only way you can be updated. So please go and join the Telegram app, where you will get all the information, and join the Twitter account and the Facebook account to get the current updates. And you have to be really aggressive, guys, to book tickets. If not, you cannot. Like, I'm getting so many messages in Instagram asking, how did you book the tickets? We are not able to find tickets. You just have to keep trying. Indian government, Air India, is trying their best, and I don't know if in future other flights are going to open. So please keep yourself updated via all these apps. Now the other thing which is very important is they are not giving you any pillows and blankets. So make sure you carry your kids some blankets, something which they are very comfortable. If you have a baby, carry a pacifier or whatever she's comfortable. And I'm carrying my neck pillow, and I have my baby bottle. Apart from this, I also got another one over here, a disposable one, because if at all you cannot wash your bottles, it's always safe to have another one. So please don't go to the restroom to wash your bottles, guys. I don't think so that's an option. And then this one is the only one I could find in Amazon, which was shipping in like a day or two. So this one is a Matty underpads. This one is actually for adults, but I got this to change her diaper. So this is how it looks. It's pretty big. So got this one to change her diaper, and I can just discard it as soon as I'm done changing her diaper. So I'm carrying 5 of this in my shoulder bag. And then I'm having another bed sheet and food. Please carry food which your kids love to eat, whatever they like to eat, whether it is chips, biscuits or sandwiches. I'm planning to carry some sandwiches, and my mother-in-law mom are planning to make some rotis and some idlis. because it said that the food in the flight is not that good and there are absolutely no food courts open in the airport. And if you have kids, I don't think so you're going to be having the time to go to the food court. As far as the information I have, they're not checking weight for baby food and food for your kids, so you are free to carry as much food as you like for your kids. So please do carry food. Now I'm carrying here some puffs which I got from the US, and I'm having some biscuits and yeah, some more biscuits. And I got this milk powder. I don't know if this is the correct one or not, but this is what I got because the milk is not provided in the flight. So please go and buy some milk powder. And I'm carrying some chocolate milk. If at all the milk powder does not work, I hope my kids will drink chocolate milk. And yeah, some chips because my daughter loves the Lay's chips. And do carry some toys. I still need to figure out what toys to carry. I don't think so I can carry a lot because already my shoulder bag is really heavy and I need to carry her in front of me and shoulder get the bag. So I don't know what I'm going to do. And I also have an activity book for my elder daughter and some colors. I will also be making a video on my travel experience. I will try to shoot as much as I can so that it can be helpful. Many of you on Instagram are requesting me to try to share my travel experience because a lot of you have already booked tickets after watching my video. So I'm happy that you were able to book your tickets, and I wish you all a very happy journey. And the last important thing, please don't forget to carry a pen because there are some forms which you need to fill out. I think there is one health declaration form and some other forms, so please don't forget to carry a pen. So yeah, so that's it guys. I hope this was helpful for you, and if it is, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. I will be seeing you all later in my next video. Bye.